Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I'm reposting this video. There was apparently a copyright because of the voice of the Qari that I used. So I have to redo this. So this is ayah number 105 of Surat al-Baqarah. Okay. We have one ayah to read here. So we are right here. A'udhu billahi min shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Ma yawaddu. Yawaddu, going from the waw into the dal that has a shadda. Yawaddul, this drops. Hamzatul wasl drops. You go straight to the lam. Yawaddul ladhina. Dul ladhina kafaru min ahlil kitabi. So ahlil, this drops. You're going straight from here to this lam here with the sukoon. Lil, this drops. You're going straight to here. Ahlil kitabi. Kitabi, this ta has long alif here. So al kitabi. Ahlil kitabi wala. So this drops. You're going straight to the lam here. Walal mushrikina. And you're always going to look when you have a noon with a sukoon like this. You're always going to look what's the next letter. This is a ya. So you would say ayyunazzala. أينزل عليكم عليكم. This meme with this meme is idgham. It assimilates. عليكم من خير. عليكم من خير. This tanween here joins with the meme here again, idgham. Instead of an in, you would say an im because it mixes with that. That's all the ruling is. Min khayrim mir. Noon, sakina, followed by a ra with a shadda. This drops basically, and you're going to go straight into the ra. Mir rabbikum. Mir rabbikum. So mir rabbikum, this drops. Mir rabbikum. Wallahu yakhtassu birah. So yakhtassu bi rahmatihi. This just extends the ha a little bit. Bi rahmatihi. Man, remember you look at what's coming after the noon sakin and noon with a sukoon. It's a ya. So what do we do when it's a ya? Man yasha. Because there's a jim here, we're going to stop or pause. So we don't say man yasha'u. Instead we're just saying man yasha. Wallahu dhu. This is just extending that. Dhul, this drops. It goes straight into the lam. Dhul fadlil azim. Wallahu dhul fadlil azim. Jazakumullah khair for watching. Inshallah, we'll go back to our other lesson. Assalamu alaikum.